How to schedule posts on Facebook page. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Facebook app. And first, we need to switch to your Facebook page. To do that, click on the three-bar line at the top left, and you can then click on this downwards arrow at the top right part, and then select the page you want to schedule a post on, and that should switch you to that specific page. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. To create a new post, we can click on the plus icon at the bottom middle, and we can click on create a post right here. And you can type in anything you want and add a photo as well. And once you have created your post, click on next at the top right. Now if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. Immediately you can see the scheduling options. You can tap on that and we select schedule for later, and you will then be able to schedule to post it for later, and just hit save at the top right once you have set the time, and just tap on schedule at the top right, and that is how you can basically schedule post on Facebook page. Then click on manage and your scheduled post is right here.